Hi everybody, just wanted to stop into your feed and say Merry Christmas. Now, I understand that not all cultures celebrate Christmas, and I get that, and we're sensitive to that, of course, because of the diversity of our business. But for a moment, can we consider what Christmas is? Christmas for us is a time when we celebrate. It's a time when we get together. It's a time when we look back at previous Christmases and previous opportunities to gather as a family, and we look forward to the opportunities of the future, which is the new year. The story of Christmas is this young couple were looking for this place to deliver this baby, and unfortunately everyone was saying no, no, no. And eventually, tradition suggests that the innkeeper said, hey, try here. That's sort of where the story of Christmas began. So what does that do with forever? And this idea that we don't turn people away. And I think that's a key message that you can learn for this time of year, is that the idea is that as we move forward, I know it's a Christian celebration and it doesn't apply to all of us, but I think the message does. In 2025, let's have our hearts and our minds open to new things, open to new opportunities, open to new people, and open to learn about what's important to each other. I think that's a great message of Christmas. And that reminds me kind of traditions. Traditions is a big part of the Christmas time. And in the O'Hare house, we have a tradition, and that tradition is no one is left behind. How do we celebrate that? Is on the 24th, which is Christmas Eve, we go to a Christmas tree lot, and that's usually when all of the Christmas trees that aren't getting purchased are left. And we always buy one more tree. And I know that there's hundreds that aren't, but for that one, we take it home, and we welcome it into our home. And if you think for a minute what Forever's all about, it's about welcoming people into your home, into your life. And I'd ask you to do the same. Merry Christmas, everybody.